Today, I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel in 2026 using your Android phone. Let's get started. The first thing you need is the YouTube app. If you don't have it, download it from the Play Store. Once YouTube is installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Tap on your profile picture to open your account menu. Then select Create a Channel to begin setting up your YouTube channel. This is where you'll choose the name that people will see whenever you upload videos. Enter the name you want people to see on your YouTube channel. Choose something simple, memorable, and related to the kind of content you'll be creating. Now tap Create Channel and wait a few seconds. Congratulations! Your YouTube channel has now been created successfully. Your channel is ready, but it still needs some personal branding. Let's start by adding a profile picture that people will easily recognize. Select a clear photo that represents you or your brand. A good profile picture makes your channel look more professional. Next, add a short channel description so viewers know what your videos are all about. Keep it clear and easy to understand. Now it's time to upload your first video. Don't wait until everything is perfect because you'll learn more by actually posting. Write a title that clearly tells people what your video is about. A good title helps more people click on your video. Add a simple description and include a few relevant keywords. This helps YouTube understand your content better. Now choose whether your video is made for kids or not. Most creators should select no, it's not made for kids, unless the content is specifically created for children. Make sure you choose the correct option before moving to the next step. You can skip the advanced settings if you're a beginner. These settings can always be changed later, so don't worry about getting everything perfect today. Before publishing, review your title, description, and thumbnail one last time. Fix any mistakes now because a good first impression helps your video perform better. Choose whether you want to publish your video immediately or schedule it for a later date. Scheduling is useful if you want your videos to go live at a specific time. Now tap the Publish button and wait a few moments. Your video will be uploaded to YouTube and become available for viewers to watch. After publishing, open YouTube Studio to monitor your video's performance. This is where you can check your views, watch time, and subscriber growth. Keep uploading helpful videos consistently because that's one of the best ways to grow your YouTube channel. The more valuable content you create, the more likely people are to subscribe. Congratulations! You now know how to create a YouTube channel in 2026 from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful in next videos, thanks for watching and Namediyo.